Welcome back to Pooja's Recipes. Today I'm going to share with you a very nice recipe of paneer. I'm going to make paneer pulao. It's very easy and we just need very few ingredients to make that. I have this parboiled rice. This is 2 cups of rice. This is parboiled. This is not fully boiled. This is half boiled rice. This is paneer which I have soaked in hot water and then I've cut into small pieces. This is around 250 grams of paneer. These are different colors of peppers. I've chopped them finely. Any color you want you can put. Green coriander. This is chili flakes, garam masala, little bit of red chili powder, coriander leaves, salt, oil, and these are whole spices. These are bay leaves, cinnamon. This is big cardamom. These are 2 small green cardamoms, black peppercorns, cloves 4 to 5, 3 bay leaves, and this is star aniseed or star asterix. This gives a very nice aroma or flavor to the pulao. Let's begin to make it now. I'm adding 2 big spoons of oil because this is rice is also just boiled and we need to saute the vegetables a little bit. Paneer also. As the oil gets hot, I'm going to add these whole spices. As it's hot now, I'm going to add cloves, everything. I'm just going to cook for 1 minute. That is really on low flame so that they don't get burnt. As soon as after 30 to 40 seconds, I'm going to add this thinly chopped paneer. These are sprouting now. I'm going to add this paneer. Again going to cook this paneer for 1 minute. Going to add little bit of red chili powder, salt, little bit of salt because rice, I have boiled rice with salt already. So little bit of salt. This will be like made very easily and very quickly. Just we need rice and just few other ingredients to make this, and it's very enjoyable and very yummy also. With raita or with yogurt or with maybe pickle, anything you can enjoy with anything. This paneer is roasted now. Around I have just cooked it for 1 to 2 minutes. Sauteed it a little bit. Now I'm going to add these peppers. Just mix them quickly because peppers, they don't need to be cooked very for a long time. You just need them a little bit crunchy. That's it. I'm going to add a little bit of garam masala now and later also I'll put a little bit. I'm going to add a little bit of red chili flakes. This is according to your taste. If you want to add it or if you just don't want, then you can avoid this. Now this vegetables and paneer has been sauteed for a few minutes. Now I'm going to add rice. And give it a quick mix together. Mix it well. So all the paneer and everything get mixed up nicely. Basically we have to toss the rice in this vegetables and paneer and then just simmer it for 2 to 3 minutes and it will be done. I've tossed this rice properly now. I'll just sprinkle some water over this little bit all over and then cover the lid and cook it for 2 to 3 minutes until the rice gets cooked properly. I'm going to cover the lid and cook it for 3 to 4 minutes approximately it will need for the rice to be cooked properly. We can check after 3 to 4 minutes and then we can serve. Let's check on this rice. It's already been 4 to 5 minutes now. Let's see. This rice has cooked. Yes, the rice has been cooked. It's a really wonderful color. See, all the masalas and everything has been cooked. It's looking very nice. Paneer and capsicums. I have tried with other vegetables also in this pulao, like carrots and peas, but it never tasted good as with just paneer and with peppers. If you want, you can add choice of your vegetables. Now I'm just going to add finally coriander leaves and serve it quickly. I'm going to finish this with sprinkling of some garam masala and switch off the gas. We have served this paneer pulao. It looks wonderful. It's also smelling very, very nice. It's a very quick recipe. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Please do try it and comment. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.